Hello, and from Takeoff Software. In this video, I just want to show you how our cut feature works. Now, what I'm doing here is I'm in the middle of doing an external render takeoff, and I've marked up my external cladding, I've marked up my external render, but I don't want to include big openings such as this garage door. So what I can do is actually grab the select tool, highlight the markup area that I'm wanting to edit. I know I'm on that tool because the blue nodes are here, and I can adjust from these nodes if need be. I can also pick up that area simply by highlighting on the row, and again it will be edited. Now you'll notice that once I do that, these two new buttons appear. Let me just unclick. So they're gone. I'm clicking here. Now I've got two new features, two new edit buttons. I can click on the cut tool, the cut square tool, and this works just like a polygon. So I'll left click to start. I go to my next corner and I left click again my third corner, and then now I'm coming to my last corner and I double click. And you'll notice that this measurement here has just been deducted straight away. So let's do that again. And now deduct my door opening. Okay, now if you watch over on that 13.2 square meters, as I double click, that gets reduced automatically by the area I'm deducting. So that's a really quick way of cutting out areas from your markups. Thanks for watching.